Welcome to Guess the Holiday by Emoji, the only quiz where Santa, Cupid, and a turkey awkwardly share the same stage. You've got 10 seconds per holiday, no clues, and yes, we're judging if you forget your Mother's Day. This one's full of hearts, feelings, and overpriced flowers. Valentine's Day. It starts fresh, makes promises, and breaks them by the third. New Year's Day. Hopping with energy and hiding things like it's got secrets. Easter. Louder, brighter, and luckier than your whole week combined. Lunar New Year. Cozy chaos, magical lies, and glitter in places it shouldn't be. Christmas, where everyone shows up for food and pretends to like each other. Thanksgiving. Spooky vibes, sugar rushes, and costume regret at 2 a.m. Halloween. It's vibrant, powerful, and has more style than your birthday. Day of the Dead. This one's got sparkle, snacks, and an open flame policy. Diwali. Lawn chairs, long weekends, emotional confusion. Memorial Day. It wants you to recycle and feel guilty about plastic straws. Earth Day. It ends big, celebrates harder, and your plate stays full. Eid al-Fitr. Call her. Seriously, don't mess this one up. Mother's Day. It lasts a while, glows bright, and spins into your calendar. Hanukkah. Ironically, a holiday, we love the contradiction. Labor Day. Tools, grills, awkward emotional avoidance, classic. Father's Day. louder than it should be, has pretzels with confidence. Oktoberfest. Everything's green, even your bad decisions. St. Patrick's Day. Explosive personality and a serious hat situation. Guy Fawkes Night. Full of pride, purpose, and powerful remembrance. Anzac Day. This month doesn't walk, it struts. Pride Month. Respect, strength, and probably a better plan than yours. Women's Day. Short people, big energy, zero chill. Children's Day. 3.14% of people celebrate this with math, the rest just eat. Pie Day. This holiday doesn't skip dessert, ever. Fat Thursday. It's like the sequel to a major holiday, with more receipts. Boxing Day. This holiday is basically the internet in calendar form. Wild, untrustworthy, and somehow legal. No hints here, just mischief. Type your guess in the comments if you're not being pranked right now. That's the end of your holiday hustle. Whether you slayed it like Santa or fumbled like a turkey on ice, we hope you had a blast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and wish every single holiday from memory, or risk being haunted by forgotten greeting cards.